14-year-old Shamrez works as a helper at a motor workshop in the outskirts of Islamabad. He has been working for over 7 years now. Every morning, he watches children go to school, pass by his workshop while he knuckles down to his work. His Ustad Tayyab also started working as a child, like Shamrez. Tayyab and Shamrez don't know about the Universal Children's Day, and it means nothing to them. They say they have other things to bother about. Earning their livelihood is their main concern.
किसी स्कूल में जाएं, दाखिले की नाम देखें कितनी फीसें हैं, बुक्स की देखें कितनी फीसें हैं, ठीक है जी. यहाँ तक कि पढ़ाई को खिला नहीं सकते अपने घर पे ना, ठीक है जी. इस वजह से वो बच्चों को जो है ना वो फिर काम पे छोड़ना पड़ता है उन लोगों को.
According to UNICEF statistics, out of an estimated 80 million children in Pakistan, 45 million live on the margins of poverty. There are about 9 million child laborers, of whom 60% are exposed to abuse.
मुझे पढ़ाई का दिल करता है,
लेकिन फिर क्यों नहीं करते?
घर की मजबूरी है जी पास.
These children do not have a choice. They are made to work and support their families. As a developing country, the government has to launch a program to rescue these children from the clutches of poverty and forcible labor before their lives are wasted. All children are important members of any society. They need love and affection to grow up to their full potential. But unfortunately, millions of children in this country remain underprivileged as proper attention is not paid to their basic needs like health, education and social development. Danial Khan, DawnNews, Islamabad.